Yo, what's up everybody? We just arrived to Candidasa, East Bali, Karangasem. Many people of you guys asked us to come see something different. Here we go, right?
Just a break from the South Bali, Kutalagian, Seminyak, Canggu, Sanur. So
exactly, it's weekend, so it's also good to have a spin. It's already 5:30 p.m., so it's not that hot. We're gonna show you around. How does it look like? Is it changed a lot or not? Last time we were like, I don't know, half year ago maybe, right? Some time ago, so let's see. And this is the main road going to East Bali up to Amet, and then North Bali you can go. And this is the famous place in Candidasa, which is the Lotus Pond. So many local people actually enjoying their afternoon. There in the background are actually swimming recently. This lady, I don't know what she's doing, like a fishing or something. Many locals coming here just for chill and watching beautiful Lotus Pond. You can also walk around. There's actually access to the beach. And yeah, that's how does it look like. There's some temple, some people driving around. So many trucks, because like I said, this is main road going to East Bali and connecting Denpasar, Sayan. Trucks everywhere.
yeah, but one thing that I see mostly from the traffic, truck drivers bringing the logistic, and also I didn't see much any, like bus or car with the guests. I mean, like with the international visitor, like tourist trip or something like that. Mostly, what I see is that people self-driving by motorbike. So only Balinese, inside the big car, a big fan, praying, because now there's still wedding season. Just like this.
Yes,
So
like
just like
one.
that.
I
And
like
just like
this
that.
Okay, let's
So
throw
no
it
more
out.
strip, I think. I mean, not much.
Alright, this is beautiful weather. We decide to have a little bit stroll to the beach facing the Lotus Pond. There are also time to time some tourists now. Last time when I was here, I think it was totally still empty, no tourists, nobody around. But now it's definitely a little bit better in Candidasa. Sunset is there, the Lotus Pond, little like a promenade you can walk, and you can find some restaurants here actually open, and some local boutique hotels deep inside there, which is actually cool. But let's get to the beach. Let's see. It's been a really while when I was here. Restaurants still empty though, but at the front some happy tourists in Candidasa already enjoying their time, which is actually cool. And I can hear so many kids actually swimming in this pond, which is so cool actually. Check this out. Pretty cozy vibes in Candidasa for every one of you who would like to come. It looks like this one. Very nice. Very nice little place. Hello, how are you, my friend? Little place like this one. This is what Candidasa is famous for the cozy vibes. And here we go. Here, so many happy kids actually swimming. They're not swimming in the ocean though, but here in the pond. Actually, so cool. So it's a little bit like you when you were so young.
Yeah, this is really good, rather than they playing on gadget. It's hot weather. I think that is around 32 or 34, something like that. But look how they are playing in the water. So nice.
So cool. So next to the pond one more time is the Bali, which is like a little gazebo, some boats here. And you can get inside through the beach like this one in Candidasa actually. Quite a lot of people here, little bit like in Sanur actually. Similar vibe, and looks like this one. And there are even some tourists here as well. I think recently actually low tide, no? And look at these two kids actually, no, they're actually mother with kids.
It's very nice to see, how people really enjoying the time on the beach like this, and it's very low tide. Look at the fisherman boats.
Actually pretty nice and enjoyable, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Check this out. Looks like this one here in Candidasa. And all of this, they are one of the 17,000 islands of Indonesia. Actually, this, and this have a proper names, and they are considered as the separate islands. Just in case if you ask, and there is some construction of the new hotel, I think. This is something new there in the background.
Yeah.
I tried to zoom it for you. I don't remember this one last time. I used to fly a drone here many times. So it's something new, and definitely Candidasa is more alive, even with locals, but more alive than last time. Last time there was nobody anywhere.
Very nice. Annie, the water is so warm.
So nice, isn't it? Good for swimming, I believe. There are some tourists probably from East Bali stop here for having a break, and there is some shop open, other one is for rent. I think this shop is for rent already at least 3 years. And there is Beans and Cafe, only one of two cafes, restaurants, bars what were open during the pandemic times. I used to film them few times. Doesn't look much busier than it was during the pandemic, if I have to be honest with you today, guys, but it's open and it's there. Survive the pandemic times. And then you can find some, cozy looking small resorts, maybe not resorts like a guest houses most likely, and some local restaurants actually as well. And of course, so many options for diving. This was actually what Candidasa is famous for.
Somebody opened angkringan Indomie, so just like the cheap, Indomie warung Indomie.
And they playing PlayStation inside actually. That's actually cool. Actually kids playing PlayStation. But that's the business idea right now. Maybe it's good. There is some shop with the clothes like this one, souvenirs. And yeah, that's what I said about the diving places. Looks like this one. And also this one of the restaurant here is open actually. And there are 3 lads enjoying their dinner. Or talking about the business because it looks very serious actually, like on holidays though. As I mentioned previously, Candidasa, it was just previously regular village, like a fisherman village, but in the 90s, 2000, when the Sanur and Kuta and Legan become so popular, they make it here as something different to the busy areas on the south. And then through the 20, 30 years becoming more and more popular, and then pandemic came and we know all the story. However, for many reasons, because it's close to the North Bali and it's so many diving spots in the area, it's very popular for divers from all around the world. Or at least used to be popular before pandemic times. Currently seems a little bit quiet, as it was during the pandemic times.
Yeah, I think that Candidasa, always, more quieter than the other south areas in Bali, because many people just want to, chill and relax. And one thing, there is no beach club here. And also for the nightlife, I think there is no really, party place here, right?
You can have Vincent for the jazz live music every Friday or Saturday. And that's it. However, I can see at the front as they are building the brand new luxury investment villas Candidasa. I show you now. Also here supposed to be a diver's center. Paradoxically, they have Russian walls over there. The boys are still, I think, open here, and they used to have a British, Australian, German, Indonesian and Russian flag as the customers. But doesn't look super optimistic though, right?
Yeah.
But maybe open, maybe not. And this is what I was saying about Niano, whatever you call it. Cliff Luxury Investment Villas Candidasa starts from 200,000 USD. I think so, they are USD actually, because they didn't say which currency, actually dollars. And probably you can invest if you would like to. And I don't know, you have to go that way, I think, or somewhere around. This is what we saw actually from the
beach
right?
over there, right? I think that the villas, the luxurious villa over there on the cliff like that, because that's at Niano Cliff. So yeah, Candidasa is developing, right, for the luxury villas.
Yeah. And something here also gonna be, as you can see, somebody already prepared the land. And this is a little bit like a dangerous corner here. You have to always be careful. Moderate traffic, I could say. Okay, let's go into other side, somewhere over there. And sunset is there, like this one. Beautiful shot right now. But unfortunately, also you can find sad places like abandoned totally. I don't know what was that. I think it was hotel, restaurant and hotel or something like this one. It was something nice and huge. It's totally abandoned. I think together with the car here. So it's actually pretty sad, and I see in the restaurant the people parking the motorbikes. So that's actually pretty sad, isn't it, Saya?
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
And that's shop for rent.
Yeah, this is for rent also. So yeah, and that's Candidasa in general. By the way, beautiful hills, and there's some people living there upstairs. Just interesting fact.
I just look up and see the housing, Balinese housing complex there. I just wonder how they go up there. Maybe there is a small alley to go there.
Oh yeah, I think so. One of the small alleys like this, only for motorbikes, maybe, Sam.
Yeah.
I don't think so. You can bring the car up there. I'm not sure though. But the small alleys like this one, check this out, very popular in Bali actually. Look, you can go very hard, like there. Drop. Maybe like this one actually.
So chill and peaceful. It's really escape from the hustle and bustle life in the South, ya Hani, ya? South Bali, ya?
And this is the sunset situation. The beach is very stonish here. I mean, with the stones and little bit blackish, but definitely super, super calm here. I mean, I'm not gonna say quiet, it's just simply calm. Some people said as the Candidasa is actually very romantic place. Not too much lights, but
And also for retirement place.
for retirement as well, yeah. Sunset like this one, beautiful. So basically we moved to other part of Candidasa. Some people buying the corn here, happy days, enjoying, and there are a few more bars actually. And there is actually beginning of Candidasa, there is the hot dog guy. If you're familiar with the Candidasa, you should know hot dog guy. If not, you can find out my older video. This building's looking like they're on a collapse, unfortunately, in the near future. But this one looks actually like a brand new investment here. I could say looks pretty nice. Empty, but nice. But people, instead of going to the restaurants here to compare to other parts of Bali, they prefer eating jagung. Wait, what's going on?
Look at that.
Yo, look at boys, yo. Ooh, ooh.
Bali life!
All right. Okay, so that's how does it look like here in Candidasa. Let's see what we can find here. Maybe would like to grab some coffee if they have it. If not, maybe some beer or Coke, whatever. It's very nice and very calm, very peaceful in general, I could say. Not much traffic. It's already after sunset, currently 6:30 p.m. It's just simply cozy, calm vibe. Candidasa was always pretty calm, but now it's even calmer, I could say. Of course, like anywhere else will be Alfamart or Indomaret, which is like a local Indonesian mini market here. And here is Lezayan Beach Restaurant, also popular. Actually, this one is popular for the mini buses with tourists like this one. They carry the eski, so must be bintang inside or so. That's usually how, oh, you see? At least there's hope as there are some tours still coming, Sayan. And they're coming to Lezayat. Lezayat. Whatever, Lezayat. You can have a Balinese dance and all the tourist stuff. Then there is some bar open recently. It's called New Queen or something like that. Open but empty, but it's open just in case if you would like to chill. Probably they have a live music time to time. Burger, pizza, fish, steak and bintang. So everything what you need when you're coming to Bali on holidays. And next to it is You and Me, also open. These two bars actually during the pandemic times were totally closed, and they have a live music. That's cool. And well, that's how does it look like. Here some bungalow with that pool table there, but they don't have a live. I don't know if it's open actually. Maybe open, maybe not. That's how does it look like.
Yes, I think this spot is actually the busiest spot in Candidasa. And then the next one is next to the Vincent, and probably more there in the corner in the, what is it called, in the brand new luxury villas area in the hill.
But they are still under construction.
Yeah,
really.
but you know the small street.
Yeah. There's like a small street. Yes,
around Puri Oka area.
I used to vlog there as well
Yeah.
once. So yeah, that's how does it look like.
If you plan to come to Bali and thinking to stay in Candidasa, so this is how it is. The situation where the restaurant actually open, but yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.